In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update your Facebook business page category. Start by going to Facebook and logging into your account. Make sure you are signed in to the profile that manages the business page you want to edit. Once you are logged in, look for your business page in the left side menu or open the profile menu and select the page from there. After your business page opens, go to the page profile area and click Edit Profile. This will take you to the section where you can manage the main details of your page. Here you can update information that helps visitors understand what your business is and what it offers. Next, scroll down until you find the category section. This part of the profile controls how your page is labeled on Facebook. It is important to choose a category that closely matches your business because it helps people find your page more easily and gives them a clearer idea of what your business does. When you see the category field, click on it to begin editing. You may see your current category already listed there. Remove the old category if needed, or add a new one depending on how your page is currently set up. Then type the new category that best fits your business. As you type, Facebook will show suggested category options. Review the list carefully and choose the option that matches your business most accurately. Take a moment to confirm that the category you selected is correct. Choosing the right category helps make sure your page appears in the right context across Facebook. It can also improve how people discover your business when they search for products, services, or local companies similar to yours. Once you are satisfied with the new category, click Save to apply the changes. Facebook will then update your business page information. After the save is complete, your new category should appear on the page profile. That is the full process for updating your Facebook business page category. It only takes a minute, and keeping this information accurate can make your page look more professional and easier to understand. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.